Welcome to the ultimate São Miguel Azores travel guide. Today we're diving into volcanic landscapes, emerald lakes, and endless adventure on the largest island in the Azores. I'll reveal 14 of the best things to do here, from hiking craters to soaking in hot springs and tasting local flavors. Grab your travel journal, São Miguel is calling. Let's kick things off with Sete Cidades, São Miguel's most iconic and enchanting site. Nestled in the heart of the island, this volcanic wonder is a place where nature and legend intertwine, creating a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. Stand on the rim of a massive volcanic caldera and gaze down at two shimmering lakes. One a deep, mysterious blue, the other a vibrant emerald green. According to local legend, these lakes were formed from the tears of a forbidden love between a blue-eyed princess and a green-eyed shepherd, their sorrow forever colouring the waters below. For the adventurous, hiking the caldera's edge rewards you with breathtaking panoramic views at every turn. The trails wind through lush greenery and volcanic rock, offering glimpses of the lakes from different angles. Or, for a unique perspective, rent a kayak and paddle across the tranquil waters, surrounded by towering crater walls and the peaceful sounds of nature. The Vista do Rei viewpoint is justly famous, offering a sweeping vista that captures the full majesty of Sete Cidades. But if you're seeking solitude, wander further along the rim to discover quieter, equally stunning spots where you can soak in the scenery in peace. Down in the valley, the charming village of Sete Cidades sits nestled between the lakes. Stop by a local cafe for a fresh pastry and a taste of Azorean hospitality, or simply stroll the quiet streets and enjoy the laid-back vibe that makes this place so special. In spring and summer, the landscape bursts into colour as wildflowers bloom along the lake shores and hillsides, adding a magical touch to an already breathtaking scene. The air is filled with the scent of blossoms, and the vibrant hues make every view feel like a living postcard. Don't forget your camera. The colours here are truly unreal, and every angle offers a new opportunity for stunning photos. Sete Cidades is a place where memories are made and legends come to life. Next up, Lagoa do Fogo, Lake of Fire, high in the mountains of São Miguel. This breathtaking crater lake sits nestled among volcanic peaks, often shrouded in a mystical layer of clouds that makes it feel like a hidden world above the island. The name itself, Lake of Fire, hints at its dramatic origins and the raw power of nature that shaped it. The drive alone is an adventure, winding through misty forests and lush emerald green hills. As you ascend, the air grows cooler and the landscape transforms, with fog weaving through ancient trees and glimpses of the lake teasing you from afar. Every turn offers a new perspective, building anticipation for what's to come. Hike down to the lake's shore for total immersion in nature and near meditative silence. The descent takes you through untouched wilderness, where the only sounds are birdsong and the gentle rustle of leaves. At the water's edge, the world feels miles away, and you can truly disconnect and soak in the serenity. The trail from Miradouro da Lagoa do Fogo is steep but rewarding. Each step down reveals new vistas, with the shimmering blue lake framed by rugged cliffs and wildflowers. It's a challenging hike, but the panoramic views and sense of accomplishment make every effort worthwhile. While swimming isn't allowed to protect this fragile ecosystem, a picnic by the water is unforgettable. Spread out a blanket, savor local treats, and let the peaceful atmosphere wash over you. It's the perfect spot to relax, reflect, and enjoy the beauty of São Miguel. Watch for rare Azorian birds along the way, like the elusive bullfinch, which can sometimes be spotted flitting among the trees. Birdwatchers and nature lovers alike will find plenty to marvel at, as Lagoa do Fogo is a sanctuary for unique wildlife. Lagoa do Fogo is São Miguel at its wildest and most beautiful, a place where nature reigns supreme, and every visit feels like a journey into the heart of the Azores' untamed spirit. Welcome to Furnas Valley, where the earth bubbles beneath your feet. Visit Lagoa das Furnas to see steaming ground and the famous cozido stew slow-cooked underground. Wander through the hydrangea-lined village and sample local treats. End your day soaking in a hot spring. Furnas is a feast for the senses. If you love gardens, rare plants and tranquil escapes, Terra Nostra Park is a must-visit destination on São Miguel Island. This lush paradise is famous not only for its unique spa experiences, but also for its centuries-old botanical wonders and peaceful atmosphere. Wander along winding paths shaded by towering trees and discover thousands of exotic plants and vibrant flowers from around the world. The highlight here is the massive, mineral-rich thermal pool, its warm orange waters inviting you to soak and unwind. Naturally heated by volcanic energy deep beneath the earth, the pool stays warm year-round, creating a soothing retreat in any season. Locals and visitors alike swear by the water's skin benefits. Many say it leaves your skin feeling soft and rejuvenated after a single dip. Just remember, the minerals can stain light-coloured swimsuits, so it's best to wear something you don't mind changing colour. In spring, the park bursts into a riot of colour with blooming camellias, azaleas and rhododendrons, but every season brings its own unique beauty to these gardens. Whether you're meditating by a quiet pond or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings, Terra Nostra offers a perfect blend of nature and serenity. With its rich history, relaxing atmosphere and stunning landscapes, Terra Nostra Park is truly a sanctuary for the senses. Hidden on a volcano's slopes, Caldera Velha is a lush, natural spa. Soak in warm, mineral-rich pools beneath dense ferns and cascading waterfalls. Each pool has its own vibe. Find your favorite temperature and setting. Visit the center to learn about São Miguel's volcanic origins and unique wildlife. Bring your swimsuit, towel, and sense of adventure. Caldera Velha is a magical spot you'll want to keep secret. No trip to São Miguel is complete without exploring Ponta Delgada, the island's capital. Wander cobblestone streets, discover grand churches, and enjoy vibrant street art. Visit Mercado da Graça for fresh fruits, cheeses, and famous Azorian pineapples. Explore the marina for a sunset stroll or seafood dinner. Ponta Delgada is the perfect base for your island adventures. For the ultimate São Miguel photo, head to Miradouro da Boca do Inferno. This viewpoint offers a sweeping panorama over Sete Cidades' twin lakes and rolling hills. The boardwalk out to the edge is an adventure, revealing dramatic scenery at every step. Sunrise and sunset here are unforgettable. Bring your camera. The trail can get muddy, so wear sturdy shoes. Don't miss this wild, breathtaking view. Ribeira dos Caldeirões is a hidden gem in the island's northeast. Wander trails past cascading waterfalls, mossy bridges and centuries-old watermills. Explore small museums and craft workshops inside the mills. Enjoy a picnic surrounded by lush gardens and rushing streams. It's a magical spot for nature and history lovers alike. São Miguel is home to Europe's only tea plantations, Guarana and Porto Formoso. Tour the rolling green fields, see old machinery in action, and learn about Azorean tea. Sip fresh tea in the tasting room with ocean views. The plantations are a must for tea lovers and curious travellers. The Azores are world famous for whale and dolphin watching, and São Miguel is a top spot. Set sail with eco-friendly guides to spot sperm whales, blue whales and playful dolphins. Every trip is a new adventure. Keep your camera ready. The ocean breeze can be chilly, so bring a jacket. Whale watching here is a bucket list experience you'll never forget. Salto do Cabrito is a breathtaking waterfall near Ribeira Grande, reached by a jungle-like hike. Cross narrow bridges and rocky paths to reach the dramatic 40-metre falls. Cool off in the pool below or explore the mossy fern-covered cliffs. Wear sturdy shoes and prepare for a real adventure. São Miguel's pineapples are grown in unique greenhouses, producing super sweet, juicy fruit. Visit a plantation to see the growing process and sample fresh pineapple or ice cream. The greenhouses are warm, fragrant and fascinating to explore. Don't miss pineapple liqueur or jams from the on-site shops. It's a delicious slice of Azorean pride you'll remember long after your trip. For a true escape, head to Nordeste, São Miguel's wild, picturesque eastern tip. Drive winding roads, stop at stunning viewpoints, and soak in the dramatic coastal scenery. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustment